In Volume 8 of the Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern, we'll view found footage of freight operations from March to July of 1994. Some of the highlights include the last miles of some of the GEs, introduction of the EMD pups, the rotary dumper installation at Goodspring, and more improvements at Port Clinton, including a sand tower and a signal bridge. So sit back and relax and let Big Mike and Eddie Heck be your guide.
Let me tell you something. I used to always smoke Lucky Strikes. Smoke cigarettes anymore. You know what the LSMFT stands for? MFT, yes, I do know what it stands for.
There's the Minersville job, just starting out. A tip of the hat goes to Eddie Heck for having enough sense to get this stuff.
This is Tyler Glass and Mike Harding on the Minersville job.
These GEs are running out their last miles. In about 2 months, they'll be gone. Winter is finally losing its grip. What a winter. There's the boys waiting to go. There's Tyler, Craig Worley, Rick, Jim Raffa. Now we head to Reading. Greg Gunshore stands at the switch. Far enough, Mike. Far enough. Now we back into the siding at Port Clinton. I have my Nathan air chimes placed on the 801. M3s off Lehigh Valley engine 7643. Cleaned and put in service by Jeff Seidel. It's Craig Worley. There's mosquito killing time, so there's no bugs in the vinyl palace. We cleaned out all the mosquitoes. Slightly irregular track.
And here we have some of the Reading and Northern's tight gauge track.
On April 27th, they ran a baseball special. That's us going north to pick up Conrail officials and the shippers. Mike Tilger and I shared the engineer's duties to make a pull by. Here comes the Reading turnaround. 70 loads and 7 empty Reading. The shift at Tuckerton. right whirly on the ready turn. There's Greg. There goes his hat. There's a tucker and shifter, 2397 and a 1501. They got loads of calm for a new car dumper they're putting in up at Goodspring. Notice their bathtub hoppers. Here we have the Minersville crew, myself and Mike Harding, May 16th, heading for Minersville. There is the new sand tower. We're finally getting some grit to go underneath them wheels of the engines. What a welcome sight to see that get put up there. There was two pups heading for Tamaqua. This is at Molino. Now they're trying to wrangle the sand tower in position. There's a signal bridge.
This is July 15th.
And that's the end. See you later in 94 or whenever. Bye.